Okay, chat. So here we have the YUME Hawk fully assembled, and it's all in all its glory, you know. Look at all the lights. I'm about to go on a quick ride. You know, it's nighttime. I'm not gonna go too crazy. I'm just trying to have a feel for the scooter, you know. Oh yeah, the steering dampener is too stiff. We're making it stiffer actually. Okay, still stiff, but not as much. This is how my handlebars are positioned. Not sure if this is the correct way, but I'll just deal with it. Okay, so I had forgotten my gloves earlier, but I got my gloves, so let's jump on this thing. Oh my goodness. This steering is too stiff for me, bro. I can't even control the direction. Let me try it out. Oh shit. I feel like it's unstable. Maybe I'm not used to this type of suspension. Cause it keeps... Oh yeah. I think the suspension is too soft. Maybe that's why I keep steering in the wrong direction. Or maybe I put the handlebars wrong. Okay, so this is mode 1, single motor. Lights are so nice actually. This was mode 1 and single motor. Holy shit. That felt way faster than the scooter mate that I've been using. And it goes 25. Hold on, let me continue riding to get the feel for it. Holy shit. Holy shit, bro. I'm in mode 1, single motor. And it's feeling quite insane, bro. I can't handle that 43 mile per hour yet. I think the handlebars might be what's causing me to be so unbalanced. Those brakes are pretty good. Way better than what the scooter has. Stopping power is immaculate, of course. Not only is it brand new, but we got name brand hydraulic brakes here. Let me bust a U-turn. I'm not quite used to this type of steering. Maybe I think it has something to do with the dampener. Or the handlebars being put incorrectly. I feel that it's shifting a lot while I'm not meaning to. I don't know what's up with that. Let me try it out again. Oh wait, I'm still in one motor. Let me put it into dual. Fuck. It's in dual now. I've never been on a dual motor scooter before. Oh fuck! Holy shit, bro! Holy shit! Holy shit, bro! Oh, oh! The tire spun a little. Holy shit, bro! If this is how it feels on a 43 mph scooter, oh, it's too jerky actually, bro. Holy shit, bro! Fuck! Fuck! It's too jerky, bro. Okay, come on. I'm gonna have to turn that down in the pace settings real quick. Ooh. Oh my god, bro. I fucking did almost a burnout standing up. Oh, oh, oh my goodness, bro. Nah. Nah. Bro. 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 Before I can actually like take this on a proper ride, I need to figure out why I'm like so unbalanced first. And then definitely tune down the what's it called? The jerkiness, bro. Like single motor was cool, but like this, yo, I need a moment real quick, bro. I'm not ready for that 43 mph jump. And my glasses are all foggy. I'm wearing my glasses tonight. Why? Because it's dark and you know I wanna see the potholes. Ooh. And I'm not wearing my visor because it's got dark tint, so it's hard to see at night. Let this car go first. I got up to 22 mph that fast, bro. It took like what, 2 seconds or some shit? The scooter mate takes like 13 seconds from 0 to 28/25. Hold on, bro. Hold on. Hold on, bro. Hold on. Holy, I can fucking gap cars at red lights with that type of acceleration. Nah, I'm not gonna go too far. Like I said, I'm not trying to go crazy. I'm just trying to get a feel for the scooter type shit. The power of dual motors, bro. Somebody should have put me onto this way earlier. Oh, alright. I feel like I'm dislocating my right hand when I'm accelerating on this shit. 2 seconds. Fuck. Tire spilled out a little. See, this is why people shouldn't buy fast scooters as their first ones. Look at me, bro. I've got like a lot of experience riding two-wheeled vehicles, like bicycles, especially like I have years of riding bicycles experience. And then I got used to a 50 mile per hour scooter, and then the 17 mile per hour one, and then the scooter mate, which goes 25, single motor, pretty easy to get into. But then there's this, bro. This is just different, bro. Different. I'm actually gonna go home and try to tweak the settings again before I leave. Hold on, put it in one motor. Yeah. Now this is what I'm talking about. Fucking hell, bro. Yo.